question for all you real fabricators out there. How do you remove the oil and mill scale off your stuff, like in a commercial way? Because brake clean or soapy water is a shitty idea, and it fucking it takes too long. How do you do this quickly? Someone's got to know.